Good morning, Letterlanders. It's Mrs. Knippenberg. I'm excited to be back this week for Letterland because we're starting something brand new today. Today's objective is you're going to find and read words with the S blends. Now, S blends means Sammy Snake sound of S followed by another letter. So let's take a look and see what we're doing today. What are S blends? S blends, remember I said, are Sammy Snake followed by another consonant. And when you put the two consonants together, they blend and mix together to kind of make one sound. So you can see I brought some of our S blends from Letterland today, and I'm going to talk about this one last. So we have Sammy Snake and Clever Cat, and together they say sk, sk. But Sammy Snake and Kicking King also say sk. Sammy Snake and Munching Mike together say sm, sm. Sammy Snake and Noisy Nick together say sn, sn. Sammy Snake and Peter Puppy together say sp, sp. Sammy Snake and Talking Tess together say st, st. And Sammy Snake and Walter Walrus, there he is, says sw, sw. Now back here we have Sammy Snake and Lucy Lamplight, but the reason why I don't have a picture of them is because you're going to see them next week, or in our next lesson, when we talk about another kind of blend. But I did put it here because the S and the L are also one of the S blends. To learn a little bit more about the S blends, I thought we could watch a fun video that's going to help you understand and sound out and look for words that have S blends in them. Let's try it.
Phonics time. S blends. S, N, N. Together.
Snuff, snuff, sniff, sneak.
S, P. Together.
Sp, sp, spit, spiky.
S, T. Together.
Stuff, stuff, stairs, store.
S, T, R, R. Together.
Struff, struff, strawberry, strong.
S, P, R, R. Together.
Spruff, spruff, spring, spread.
So I hope you enjoyed the S blend video, and maybe now you can picture some words that you've heard that S blend in. Well, we're going to try my activity today together, and today we are going to read a poem about the snow. And I know there's no snow out right now, and I don't want it to snow, but I needed to find a good poem that had some S blends for us to look at, and this one was a perfect one. So I put in the corner all of our S blends, so it will kind of help you remember, but there were a couple in the video that were not on my chart that had 3 consonants that made an S blend, and we'll talk about those in a little bit. But right now we're going to read this poem, and what I want you to help me do is look for words that begin with some of these S blends. Now we know it has to start with Sammy Snake, but it's followed by another consonant that together they make an S blend. So I'm going to read the title. Waiting for snow. Wait a second. In the title, I see one of our S blends. Sn. So I'm going to circle it so you can see it. Do you see the sn in snow? All right, let's read our poem. Winter has come. We're waiting for snow. Do you see another sn? There it is. We're waiting for the fun, but the time is passing slow. I see another S blend in this word, slow. I'm going to circle it. We can't wait to slide. Did you hear any in that one? Let's look at slide. Do you see an S blend? I see the S and an L. And spin on the ice. Wait a second. Let's go back to spin. Do you see a sp? Sp. Good job. We can't wait to sled. I see a sl. Oh, won't that be nice? Hot chocolate for snack. Look at the word snack. There's another S blend. Be careful, don't spill. Sp, sp. Ooh, that's a good one. Spill. Look, snow. I see another sn. I'm going to circle that. Is falling. Oh, what a thrill. So let's count how many S blends were in this one poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 S blends just in this poem, boys and girls. So today, your job, it's your turn now. Your job as a reader is to first get your notebook. And you need something to write with. It could be a pen, a marker, a crayon. You choose, maybe something colorful today. And in your notebook, you can copy these S blends. And you can put some at the top and some at the bottom. You could make boxes just like mine if you wanted. And today you are going on an S blend hunt. So you will need to get a couple books. Or maybe today you want to use something different, like a magazine. Make sure you ask mom or dad for help. Or maybe you have a newspaper or some coupon papers from the mail at home or a piece of mail. And I want you to look in those magazines or pieces of mail or through your books and see how many S blend words you can find in your books. And then write them in your notebook next to the correct blend. So if I find a word like swing, I could write it by the SW. If I find a word like stop, st, I could write it next to the ST. So look really carefully and be word finders today. If you need a little bit of a challenge, let's say this is super easy for you. Maybe you want to pick a few words from your list and write a sentence using the word. Like if you found the word stop, you could say, I had to stop playing and pick up my toys. Or maybe, like in that first video I showed you, see if you could find 3 consonant S blends like the STR that says str, or the SPR that says spur. You be S blend detectives today. So have fun and go be word readers. We'll see you next time.